The real estate market in Dubai is known for being very flexible and quick to respond to changes in the global and regional economies. Several major trends are becoming clearer as 2024 goes on. These trends will have a big impact on the future of the city's real estate market. An overview of the economy. After suffering significant damage as a result of the COVID-19 epidemic, Dubai's economy has demonstrated amazing resilience and has recovered strongly. Important industries including tourism, commerce, and banking have all had a resurgence, which has contributed to a strong economic prognosis for the year 2024. A considerable contribution to the stabilization of the economy has been made by the proactive steps taken by the government, which includes several types of stimulus packages and regulatory reforms. The legacy of Expo 2020. Expo 2020 has left a legacy that continues to have an impact on the real estate price market. As a result of the event's ability to draw in millions of visitors and garner attention from around the world, the demand for residential and commercial buildings increased. Both the construction of brand new infrastructure and the improvement of facilities that were already in existence have had a significant and long-lasting effect on the real estate industry. Important market trends. The real estate market in Dubai is expected to be heavily influenced by sustainability in the year 2024. Increasingly, developers are concentrating their efforts on environmentally friendly projects that encourage green living. The utilization of environmentally friendly building materials, the incorporation of energy-efficient designs, and the utilization of renewable energy sources are all included in this. Communities that are leading the way in this direction include Sustainable City, which provides people with a way of life that has a minimal impact on the environment. Integration of technological systems. Real estate is undergoing a transformation as a result of the widespread adoption of technology. Technology is improving the purchasing, selling, and living experience in a variety of ways, including smart houses that are outfitted with the most recent Internet of Things gadgets and blockchain, which is used to encrypt property transactions. The use of digital platforms for real estate services, virtual tours, and property management that is powered by artificial intelligence are becoming increasingly commonplace. Demand that is growing for housing that is affordable. There has been an increase in the demand for reasonably priced property in Dubai. This demand is being addressed by the government as well as private developers through the launch of projects that are geared at individuals with middle incomes. Homeownership is made more accessible by the implementation of policies and programs, such as the Dubai Affordable Housing Policy, which aims to provide affordable housing of a high standard. There is a considerable demand for premium properties in excellent locations, such as downtown Dubai, Palm Jumeirah, and Dubai Marina, which indicates that the luxury market continues to be solid. High net worth individuals are particularly interested in purchasing ultra-luxurious villas, penthouses, and branded apartments. These two factors continue to be the primary drivers of this market. The flood of expats and the allure of Dubai as a location for second homes, living and working spaces that are shared. When it comes to Dubai, the ideas of co-working and co-living are becoming increasingly popular. These spaces provide accommodating living and working settings that are community-oriented and adaptable, and they are designed to meet the requirements of young professionals and remote workers. Because of the epidemic, the adoption of these models has increased, and it is anticipated that their popularity will continue to expand in the year 2024. Programs and regulations implemented by the government. The Golden Visa Program of the United Arab Emirates, UAE, which provides investors, entrepreneurs, and talented professionals with the opportunity to obtain long-term residency, has had a positive impact on the real estate market. By attracting major foreign investment, this program has created a stable climate that is conducive to the ownership of property for an extended period of time. Reforms in the regulations. The administration of Dubai is persisting in its efforts to undertake regulatory reforms in order to improve transparency and safeguard investors. One of the initiatives that has contributed to an increase in investor trust is the implementation of escrow accounts. Other steps include the implementation of stronger controls on off-plan transactions and the improvement of property registration procedures. Forms of public-private partnerships. The development of new real estate projects is being significantly aided by public-private partnerships, PPPs, which are playing an important role. The purpose of these cooperation is to provide high-quality and environmentally friendly developments by using the strengths of both sectors. Infrastructure and affordable housing are two areas in which public-private partnerships, PPPs, are particularly important. An examination of the residential market. A significant factor that drives the Dubai real estate market is the construction of high-end residential projects. The demand for luxury real estate remains high in certain areas of Dubai, such as downtown Dubai, Dubai Marina, and Palm Jumeirah. Private beaches, concierge services, and state-of-the-art fitness centers are some of the amenities that developers are focusing on with the intention of providing residents with one-of-a-kind and individualized experiences. Developing neighborhoods and contexts. Developing neighborhoods like Dubai South, Al Furjan, and Jumeirah Village Circle, JVC, are becoming increasingly popular as a result of the low prices they offer and the contemporary conveniences they provide. Because these neighborhoods have a variety of housing options, including apartments, townhouses, and villas, they appeal to a wide variety of customers, including first-time homeowners and investors hoping to generate rental income. After a period of decline, the rental market in Dubai is beginning to show indications of stabilization, with rents progressively rebounding after the fall started. This pattern is being driven by the high demand in premium locations and areas that are cost-effective. When it comes to accommodating the requirements of expatriates and temporary residents, flexible rental agreements and apartments that are already equipped are becoming increasingly frequent. An examination of the commercial market. The trend toward remote and hybrid working patterns is having an effect on the demand for office space in Dubai, which is becoming more and more dynamic. Traditional office spaces in commercial districts such as DIFC and Commercial Bay continue to be in high demand. However, there is also a growing interest in flexible office spaces and co-working situations. Adaptable rooms that can accommodate shifting work habits are being increasingly sought after by businesses. Recovering of the retail sector. As a result of the revival of tourism and the increase in consumer spending, the retail industry is making progress toward recovery. Malls and shopping centers are experiencing a surge in foot traffic, and there are plans to create additional retail properties in the near future. An increasing number of people are participating in the trend of experiential retail, which involves combining shopping with other activities such as food and entertainment. Real estate for the industrial and logistical sector. Industrial and logistics real estate is a burgeoning area in Dubai, spurred by the rise of e-commerce and the city's strategic position as a logistics hub. This industry is experiencing tremendous growth. The number of people looking for warehouses, distribution centers, and facilities that provide last-mile delivery services is growing. In addition, the establishment of free zones and logistics parks is providing additional support for this trend. Possibilities for capital investment. Due to the possibility of capital appreciation and the availability of flexible payment options, investing in off-plan properties continues to be a popular choice. Incentives that are appealing to buyers are provided by developers. These include post-handover payment plans and the elimination of certain costs. Buyers are required to do a thorough evaluation of the credibility of the developer as well as the practicability of the project. Purchase and hold investments. Long-term capital growth and consistent rental income are two benefits that come with buy-and-let investments. Locations that have strong rental returns, such as Dubai Marina, JBR, and downtown Dubai, are particularly appealing to prospective buyers. A number of considerations, including location, property management services, and tenant demographics, should be taken into consideration by investors. REITs, which stands for Real Estate Investment Trusts. Real Estate Investment Trusts, REITs, offer investors the opportunity to obtain exposure to the real estate market without the need to own actual property. In addition to providing diversification and liquidity, these investment vehicles also provide expert management. The real estate investment trusts, REITs, that are listed on the Dubai Financial Market, DFM, are gaining popularity among investors from all over the world. Prospective market observations for the future. Through the year 2024, it is anticipated that the real estate market in Dubai will continue its upward trend, which will be backed by robust economic fundamentals, efforts taken by the government, and investor confidence. Among the most important areas of expansion are environmentally responsible developments, affordable housing, and the luxury market. Although the forecast for the market is optimistic, there are certain obstacles and risks that should be taken into consideration. Instability in the global economy, fluctuations in the price of oil, and tensions in geopolitical affairs are some examples of these. The best way for investors to reduce the impact of these risks is to have a long-term view and be educated. Developments and current trends. PropTech, artificial intelligence, and blockchain are examples of innovations that are expected to further revolutionize the real estate business. The implementation of technology will result in improvements to the overall experience for buyers and investors, as well as to the efficiency and transparency of the process. Developments that are both environmentally friendly and technologically advanced will continue to be a primary focus for developers. In 2024, the real estate market in Dubai is expected to experience expansion, which will be driven by the robustness of the economy, measures taken by the government, and the changing preferences of consumers. The market is being shaped by a number of significant trends, including the emergence of environmentally friendly constructions, the integration of technology, and the rising demand for cheap housing. There is a wide variety of opportunities available to investors in the market, ranging from high-end residential properties to industrial and logistical real estate. In addition to the execution of regulatory reforms and initiatives, such as the Golden Visa program, Dubai's appeal as a destination for real estate investment has been significantly enhanced. In order to make educated decisions on investments, it is always necessary to conduct exhaustive study, exercise due diligence, and seek the advice of professionals. It is possible for investors to capitalize on the opportunities and successfully handle the hurdles that will be present in the Dubai real estate market in 2024 and beyond if they remain current on market trends and adapt to rapidly shifting dynamics. Stay ahead of the curve with our in-depth videos. Subscribe now and never miss the latest trends shaping the future.